Welcome back to C to the Power of 3 with your host, me, Shani. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a Get Unready With Me, which is just a slight difference from Get Ready With Me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you basically how I remove my makeup and wash my face. It's my routine. I'm also going to apply this moisturizer at the end that I got yesterday in my Ipsy bagging. And I know I said that I wasn't really a fan of lavender, but I'm going to try it and see if it does the trick. So the first step that I do when I wear my makeup and I'm going to take it off is I remove my lashes, which I didn't put any lashes on today. But as you can see, I do still have a pretty full-blown glam look going today. And that's because I actually filmed a video earlier and I decided that I don't want to put that one up before I do this one. The first thing that I use is from Clinique, and it's the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And it is 3.8 ounces, and I have had this since September. And because I don't wear makeup every day, it has lasted me a while. You also don't need a whole lot. I've seen other people go, oh, this specific product I use to wipe away my lips, or I'm gonna use my cleansing water on my eyes, and I don't do that. Because I'll show you with half my face why I don't do that. So we'll get my big clunky mirror again, because it's the highlight of our day, is it not? So usually I go ahead and I pin my hair back. Usually I have a headband, but I don't know where mine is right now, so I'll take off my glasses and let's get going. So again, you really don't need a whole lot of this. I just go like this with my hand and rub it onto my fingertips, okay? And like I said, just gonna do half my face and you'll see why I don't need very much. It just melts your entire face off. Face off! Is that a show? I feel like that was a show, like a competition or something, but yeah. Just gonna take off my face, and you see my eyes are always done up the most, and just boom. Completely different than the other side. And the next step to this obviously would be to wipe it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this side to show you guys how amazing this is, and then I'll do the other side and we'll move on. You guys, do you see this difference? This was a pore filler cream, it was a face primer, it was foundation, eye primer, eyeshadows, translucent setting powders. It was the whole 9 yards, and just night and day. Literally, this is night and this was day. Like, come on, you can't beat that. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit more to do this side, officially do my neck, because I didn't get enough to do my neck, but just a couple of swipes and it gets the entire thing done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now, and I'll be back shortly. All right, so now that we've got that done, the next thing I do is I go ahead and I wash my face. And the face wash that I have is the Walmart brand Equate Beauty Hydrating Cleanser. This is not the one that foams, because the foaming one dries my skin out. And my face has more sensitive skin on it than the rest of my body, and I know that if a foaming cleanser is going to dry out my hands, then it's definitely going to dry out my face. So what I do is I take this little puffy scrubby thingy to exfoliate while I cleanse. So just get it wet and squeeze out, shake out the excess. 2 pumps on it. And then I kind of just do like you would foundation and start marking on my face. And then I don't apply a whole lot of pressure because I don't want to damage my skin or scratch it too much to the point that it hurts. But I do apply enough pressure that I can feel it start to exfoliate. And that's what I really want. And I really try to focus right here on my chin because I don't know why, but for some reason, that's where I get a lot of blackheads. And so in order to avoid that, I do try and focus on that a little more really than the rest of my face, if I'm being 100% honest. So now that I have cleansed, rinsed, and dried my face, I patted it dry. I didn't swipe or wipe or put a whole lot of pressure. I keep seeing that you're not supposed to like wipe, so I make sure I just pat my face. And then my last step, today anyways, is going to be my moisturizer. Normally I would do a toner first to close my pores, and I can't find it. Because I can't find anything in my life. Girl, please. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this, and don't know how I'm going to feel about it. Because, like I said, it's that icky green color. And, oh my God, it really does smell like I said, shoving my face into some potpourri. So, we shall see. I'm just rub it on in. This is a thick moisturizer, you guys. Like, super thick. It doesn't go on like any other moisturizer I've ever tried. So maybe it's not supposed to be a face moisturizer. But it doesn't specify. Watch, it would have specified and I didn't read it. Nope, doesn't specify. Alright, I double checked. Does not specify. It has rosemary in it, and it's kind of feeling like cool tingly sensation actually. And I'm not sure if that's something that rosemary would do. That's the only thing on there that I can see in the ingredient list that maybe would give a tingling sensation, unless lavender does, but I don't think lavender would do that. Wow. I don't know, I kind of like this actually. Even though I don't so much care for the smell. It's making my skin feel really, really nice and refreshed. The only downside that I feel right now is that lavender is supposed to be calming and make you sleepy. And we're going to be going to the gym at like 1 a.m. So I'm not so sure how that's going to work out for me. But we'll see. So yeah, guys, that is how I get unready. Thank you for sticking around and checking me out. I'm not funny, am I? No? No one? No one thinks I'm funny? Well, I think I'm funny, and that's what matters. Anybody else want to talk with me? Just go ahead and comment down below, and I'll try and get back at you. You can always follow me at C to the power of 3 on Instagram, or at ChantelMarie92 on Twitter. Also, add me on Snapchat. Panda Dolls is my handle. I will add you guys back, and then I will actually put a link in the description box to the Clinique. I guess I can give you a link to the Equate. I just got it at Walmart, and then I will try and find the lavender moisturizer online. I will put a link to that as well. I'm also going to have my referral code for Ipsy down below. Ipsy is now without a waiting list currently. Normally you do have to wait a couple of months. So go ahead and click on my referral link, sign up. It's only $9.99 a month plus tax. You get 5 products. Sometimes they kick in an extra face mask and you end up with 6. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit that little bell at the bottom. You'll be the first to be notified of when I upload. I'm going to be uploading at least once a week. I will be sporadic because I'm doing it on my days off, but I'm going to get back at you guys. If you have another video you want me to go ahead and recreate, whether it's a challenge or just a regular I went ahead and I tried this tutorial, let me know. Link it down below and I'll get back with you as well. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.